Welcome back to our channel, where the future unfolds one algorithm at a time. Today, we're diving into the latest happenings in the AI sphere, exploring monumental collaborations, courtroom dramas, and innovative expansions that are reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence. Let's decode the complexities of AI news together. Intel spearheads the open platform for enterprise AI. In an ambitious move, Intel, along with giants like Cloudera and the Linux Foundation, has initiated the Open Platform for Enterprise AI, OPEA. Their mission: to develop open, interoperable AI tools designed to revolutionize enterprise operations, from automating reports to optimizing spreadsheet formulas. With a focus on creating scalable, hardened AI systems, OPEA is setting the stage for a new era of technology that leverages the power of open-source innovation. The question remains, can these tech titans truly harmonize their efforts to unlock AI's full potential for enterprises? Rivos emerges from legal shadows with a bold vision. Rivos made headlines in 2022 after Apple filed a trade secrets suit against it, which accused Rivos of hiring away dozens of Apple engineers and using confidential info to develop chips to rival the iPhone maker's own. The company denied the allegations and countersued Apple for unfair competition. Apple ended up settling its lawsuit in February. Around the same time, it ended separate litigation with several of the Apple engineers Rivos had hired. Emerging from a tumultuous legal battle with Apple, Rivos is redoubling its efforts to redefine chip technology. Having secured over $250 million in a fundraising round, Rivos is not just surviving, it's thriving. The company sets its sights on producing chips that cater to the insatiable demands of data analytics and generative AI workloads. With a unique data parallel accelerator and a commitment to the RESC-V open standard, Rivos is challenging the status quo. But in a market dominated by tech giants and burgeoning startups, can Rivos carve out its niche? Microsoft's strategic move with G42, amid US-China tech rivalry, in a significant development that highlights the growing tech rift between the US and China, Microsoft has invested $1.5 billion in Abu Dhabi's G42, an AI powerhouse. This partnership not only signifies a strategic alliance but also positions the UAE more firmly in the US camp amid global tech tensions. Microsoft does get a lot out of its new deal. While it only entered the UAE in 2019, the Gulf has been a difficult region in which to sell its cloudwares because of restrictions on particular types of data that can be stored. Tuesday's announcement gives it an edge over other cloud competition such as Amazon Web Services. With G42's commitment to moving away from Chinese influences, the collaboration is a testament to the geopolitical intricacies that entangle the tech industry. How will this alliance influence the future trajectory of AI development on a global scale? OpenAI expands its horizons to Tokyo. OpenAI is setting its sights on Japan with the announcement of a new Tokyo office and a GPT-4 model optimized for the Japanese language. This expansion is a strategic move to tap into Japan's rich technological landscape and foster collaborations that can drive AI innovations tailored to Japan's unique needs. As OpenAI spreads its wings across the globe, it remains to be seen how its presence will influence the AI dynamics in Asia and beyond. OpenAI is granting local businesses early access to a customized GPT-4 model optimized for the Japanese language. This custom model boasts enhanced performance in translating and summarizing Japanese text, offers cost-effectiveness, and operates up to 3 times faster than its predecessor. The new office positions OpenAI closer to major businesses such as Daikin, Rakuten, and Toyota Connected, which are leveraging ChatGPT Enterprise to streamline complex business operations, assist in data analysis, and improve internal reporting. Adobe Premiere Pro leaps into the future with generative AI tools. Adobe is on the verge of revolutionizing video editing with the introduction of generative AI tools in Premiere Pro. This early exploration into AI integrations promises to empower users with unprecedented capabilities, from extending shots with Pika to generating B-roll with Sora. As Adobe positions itself at the forefront of the generative AI wave in creative industries, the potential for transformative changes in how content is created and edited is immense. Tesla's strategic workforce adjustment. Amidst EV market turbulence, Tesla is making headlines with a significant reduction of its global workforce by over 10%. This strategic decision reflects the broader challenges facing the electric vehicle market, including fierce competition, price wars, and the need for innovation. Musk last announced a round of job cuts in 2022, after telling executives he had a super bad feeling about the economy. Still, Tesla headcount has risen from around 100,000 in late 2021 to over 140,000 in late 2023, according to filings with US regulators. With Tesla at a pivotal juncture, reorganizing to sustain growth and navigate the market dynamics, this move signifies the volatile nature of the tech industry, where adaptation and strategic planning are key to enduring success. As we conclude today's journey through the dynamic landscape of artificial intelligence, we've seen how the frontiers of AI are being expanded by enterprise solutions, navigated through legal battles, and propelled into global expansions. From Intel's commitment to open-source innovation with OPEA to Rivos' resilience in the chip technology sector, Microsoft's strategic partnerships amid geopolitical tensions to OpenAI's ambitious endeavors in Japan, Adobe's pioneering generative AI tools in creative industries to Tesla's strategic workforce adjustments amidst EV market challenges, each story underscores the transformative power and the complexities of AI in our world. As we continue to explore these developments, stay tuned to our channel, where we uncover the future one algorithm at a time. Thank you for joining us on this insightful voyage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from the forefront of AI.